Still struggling to choose the right RC car that is fast, durable, and actually worth your money? Today, we've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 RC cars featuring high-speed brushless motors, 4WD off-road performance, and powerful battery life. From budget-friendly models to extreme 85 km/h speed machines, there's something for every type of driver. So if you want speed, control, and durability in one package, let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. WLtoys 104026 Professional Off-Road RC Car. The WLtoys 104026 is a practical and beginner-friendly RC car designed for users who value longer driving sessions and dependable off-road performance. Built on a 110 scale platform, this four-wheel drive vehicle is capable of handling dirt paths, grass, gravel, and uneven terrain with confidence. Its rugged construction and large size help improve stability while driving, making it a great option for outdoor adventures. Unlike many speed-focused RC cars, this model places a stronger emphasis on usability and extended runtime, making it ideal for casual hobbyists and newcomers to the RC world. One of its biggest advantages is the impressive battery life, offering up to 45 minutes of runtime under suitable conditions. The included 2.4 GHz remote control system provides smooth and responsive operation with a control range of approximately 100 meters. The ready-to-run package includes a rechargeable battery, charger, remote controller, and user manual, allowing drivers to get started right away. For users looking for a reliable off-road RC car that focuses on durability, runtime, and ease of use rather than extreme speed, the WLtoys 104026 delivers excellent value and a fun driving experience. Number 2. WLtoys 104001PRO Racing RC Car. The WLtoys 104001 is a versatile 110 scale RC car that combines speed, durability, and off-road capability in one well-balanced package. Powered by a four-wheel drive system, this model can reach speeds of up to 45 km/h, making it suitable for recreational racing, drifting, and outdoor exploration. Its larger-scale design gives the vehicle a realistic appearance while helping improve stability and control on rough surfaces. Built using a combination of metal and durable plastic components, the car is designed to withstand regular outdoor use and demanding driving conditions. A major strength of the WLtoys 104001 is its ability to perform well across different terrains. Whether you're driving on dirt, gravel, short grass, or open pavement, the vehicle delivers consistent handling and reliable traction. The 2.4 GHz remote control system offers a range of approximately 100 meters, giving drivers plenty of space to enjoy high-speed runs. The ready-to-run setup allows users to begin driving with minimal preparation. For anyone seeking a larger RC car that offers a strong balance of speed, control, and durability, the WLtoys 104001 remains an excellent choice. Number 3. SCY-16101PRO Brushless RC Car. The SCY-16101PRO is designed for drivers who want impressive speed and exciting off-road performance without spending a fortune. Built on a compact 1/16 scale platform, this RC car features a powerful brushless motor and a four-wheel drive system that helps maximize traction across different surfaces. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 80 km/h, it delivers the kind of performance normally found in more expensive models. The durable construction includes metal components that help improve strength and allow the vehicle to handle rough driving conditions more effectively. Beyond its speed, the SCY-16101PRO offers excellent control and stability. Its suspension system helps absorb bumps and impacts while driving on dirt, gravel, grass, and uneven terrain. The responsive steering allows drivers to make precise adjustments at higher speeds, creating a more enjoyable driving experience. With a control range of around 100 meters and a rechargeable battery included in the package, users can get started quickly. Whether you're interested in high-speed racing or off-road adventures, this model offers a strong combination of performance, durability, and value, making it a worthy addition to our top 5 list. Number 4. SG116MAX Brushless 4WD RC Car. The SG116MAX is a high-performance RC car built for users who want a strong balance of speed, durability, and off-road capability. Designed on a 1/16 scale platform, This model comes with a powerful brushless motor and a four-wheel drive system that delivers fast acceleration and stable control on different surfaces. With a top speed of up to 80 kilometers per hour, it offers an exciting driving experience for both beginners and experienced RC hobbyists. The combination of ABS and metal components improves durability while keeping the vehicle lightweight and responsive during sharp turns and high-speed runs. The SG116MAX is also designed for versatility, performing well on dirt, gravel, grass, and uneven terrain. Its upgraded suspension system helps absorb shocks, making driving smoother and more controlled even on rough tracks. The compact size makes it easy to carry, while still offering strong performance for racing and drifting. The ready-to-run setup means users can start using it immediately after charging. With its reliable handling, strong build quality, and impressive speed, the SG116MAX stands out as a great option for anyone looking for a powerful yet affordable brushless RC car. Number 5. 9522 Pro Brushless 4WD RC Car. The 9522 Pro is the most powerful RC car in this lineup, designed for users who want extreme speed and high-level off-road performance. Built on a 1/16 scale platform, this model features a high-performance brushless motor and a four-wheel drive system that allows it to reach speeds of up to 85 kilometers per hour under ideal conditions. Its strong chassis design and durable construction make it capable of handling rough terrain, jumps, gravel, and dirt tracks while maintaining stability at high speeds. The responsive steering system ensures better control during sharp turns and fast maneuvers. Another major highlight of the 9522 Pro is its impressive control range of up to 120 meters, giving drivers more freedom during high-speed runs. It comes as a ready-to-run package with a rechargeable battery, charger, remote controller, and user manual, making it easy to set up and use. The combination of speed, durability, and control makes it a top choice for RC enthusiasts who want a thrilling driving experience. For users looking for the fastest and most advanced option in this list, the 9522 Pro clearly stands out as the #1 performer. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.